What's going on, guys? Today we're opening up a bunch of Hot Wheels cars from the 2019 Hot Wheels B case. But before we open them up, the winner of my latest Hot Wheels car giveaway is... Congratulations to the winner. Now let's open up some new Hot Wheels. Starting off here with a mean green machine, the Nissan Skyline Gtr R34. Our second vehicle is the new blue 49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup truck. Here's another all-new casting, the 84 Audi Sport Quattro. From HW Speed Graphics, here we have the Mad Mike edition of the 95 Mazda RX-7. As part of the new Volkswagen series, we have the yellow Moon Eyes Volkswagen Caifa Racer. A very hot car from the B case, the HW Flames 67 Shelby GT500. Check it out, we have another one from HW Flames, the 69 Dodge Charger Daytona. Now here's a muscle car from Speedblur, the 64 Chevy Chevelle Ss. The Nightburners are bringing some fire with the white Nissan Skyline R30. To another HW Speed Graphics car, this is the Brembo Brakes 2018 Camaro SS. Take a look at this bright green HW Hot Trucks Custom 72 Chevy Love. Up next from HW Game Over is a really cool 2005 Ford Mustang. I'm actually a really big fan of the zebra-striped Speedblur Track Ripper. Of course, HW Flames is bringing more heat with the 69 Ford Torino Talladega. We've got a new truck from HW Hot Trucks, it's the Red 2 Tough. The final vehicle we're opening up today is the HW Moto BMW K1300R motorcycle. So there we have a little variety of some of the best cars from the 2019 Hot Wheels B case. If you want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.